I'll link to it as well. But so I've been building this game, and I sat down and I wrote a document on how to build it, and then I talked to my friend Dave. I actually ran him through our Scouts MVP chat, where he answered all the questions for the chat, and the chat created a document for us that allows me to build this game. And then I took the two documents together and essentially created a technical document out of it that I just fed into AI. And I said, okay, well, now you have all the information, all the instructions, you have all the game rules, you have all the technical specifications. You know how I like to build things. Go ahead, build it. And it built a game. And basically in one click, like I had a game functional. And then for the week since, I've been fixing bugs in it. And that's vibe coding, right? Like I don't think I would have been able to build this game in a week by myself. Like I'm still glad the AI is building it. But man, like I'll ask it to do something and it will go in and change like 20 different files. Then I have to go figure out like, why did we just change 20 files? What happened in each one? And of course, like 12 out of them, like amazing changes, exactly what we need. And the other 8, like, no, we didn't need 4 of them. We probably could have avoided 2, and the other 2 just completely destroyed everything. And then I have to go and like somehow talk to the AI and kind of steer it in the right direction. And so yes, even though we can build stuff a lot faster, it's also a complete nightmare because there's just like so much more code being added. And then unlike, if you work with a team of developers, they would usually hopefully would push small changes and then say, okay, this is a little change. It works now. Let's go to the next change. Here's a change and so forth, right? I'll give you an example. So we were using WebRTC. It's essentially the protocol we're using right now to record this video, right? Where I can see you, you can see me. But that was an easy way to hack a 2-player mode for the game where we can both join and our data gets synced using this protocol. Now, a little technical, but then it actually causes more problems than I had solutions for. If you want to do it really well, you need to spend a lot of time on it. I didn't want to. So I'm like, okay, you know what? We're going to put a little server in between that's going to sync that data. It sounds simple, but then it's like kind of a massive change where you rip out the whole thing and put a new thing in, right? It's like changing your car. It's like you're going to take your Ford truck, rip out the engine and put in a Tesla battery and the Tesla computer in an old Ford truck and be like, work.
Mhm.
And your truck would be like, biscusi, I don't work this way, So that's the nature of vibe coding that allows you to do that. But at the same time, you get completely annihilated in terms of like how much more work you need to do after that. And so